Did you know there's a 1973 truck that could haul a camper, 5 friends, and still make you feel like a rock star on the open road? Stick around, because this isn't your average pickup. Ladies and gentlemen, today we're diving into a truck-camper combo so 70s it practically smells like shag carpet and CB radio chatter. I present to you the 1973 GMC C2500 Sierra Grande, paired with a 1975 slide-in camper. Back in the day, this was the American dream on wheels. Half pickup, half rolling motel, and I believe 100% cool. My buddy Dave once tried camping in the back of his El Camino with nothing but a tarp and a lawn chair. Let's just say, compared to that disaster, this Sierra Grande is the Ritz-Carlton. Before we roll further down memory lane, smash that subscribe button for more insane classics that make Timmy's fishing stories sound believable. Now, the Sierra Grande came with serious muscle under the hood. We're talking about a 454 cubic inch V8, 7.4 liters, hooked up to a 3-speed TH400 automatic transmission, factory rated at 240 horsepower and around 355 pound-feet, 481 newtons of torque. This beast could haul not just the Excel camper, but probably your neighbor's ego too. In 2023, the Rochester carburetor was rebuilt, spark plugs and ignition wires were replaced, and even the transmission pan gasket got swapped. I think that's the mechanical equivalent of a spa day. On the outside, this rig looks every bit the 70s superstar. Finished in Mohave Tan with white side panels and multicolored scallops, it rides on 16.5-inch white-painted steel wheels wrapped in Firestone Transforce tires. Power steering and power-assisted front disc brakes with rear drums made it manageable, while heavy-duty shocks, springs, and a sway bar kept it planted. The chrome bumper, Western-style side mirrors, and rear step bumper gave it some cowboy flair. Sure, the hood shows a bit of corrosion, and the camper siding has its blemishes, but I believe that's just patina with personality. Step inside the truck's cab and you're greeted with a brown patterned cloth bench seat, wood grain trim, and all the goodies of the time. Air conditioning works only on high speed, so basically off or hurricane. A CB radio, and a Panasonic AM/FM cassette stereo. The odometer reads 31,000 miles, but it has rolled over, so the true mileage is a mystery. Kinda like Timmy's claim of catching a 200-pound trout. The camper itself stretches just over 11 feet long and packs everything you'd need. A kitchenette with sink, 3-burner stove, oven, fridge, cupboards, and a freshwater tank. There's a dinette that doubles as a bed, a wet bath with shower and toilet, and sleeping space for 5, including an overcab bed where you could dream about gas prices that weren't terrifying. The interior shows its 70s roots with wood grain paneling and green laminate flooring, but that's what I like the most. It's a time capsule with curtains. Add air conditioning, a heater, closet, window shades, propane storage, roof vents, and even a spoiler on the back of the camper, and you've got a rig that was ready for Route 66 in style. This GMC with Excel camper sold for $18,750, around 17,700 euros. Honestly, I think that's fair money for a rolling piece of Americana that blends muscle, camping, and nostalgia in one package. So if you see one of these rigs cruising down the road, tip your hat. It's not just a truck. It's a chapter of history, painted tan with scallops. Finally, for just $1, you can sponsor our channel. Yes, $1. That's less than what my neighbor spends on duct tape trying to keep his porch swing alive. The sponsorship link is right under the video. Click it before Timmy claims he invented the camper himself.